very nice sleep. Oh, what a lovely morning. I'm gonna check out what time is it. It's 9:27. Okay. What? It's 9:27? Oh my gosh, we're late. Perry, wake up! Wake up, Perry! What is the problem? We're super duper late. For what? Hello, we have a schedule, right? Okay, no problem. What? We have a schedule. Oh my god. We forgot. So we better hurry. Go. So YouTubers, wake up early for not forgetting what you scheduled. Bye.